Oh man. Always gotta mess something up, don't I? Hello and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a super quick, simple little New Year's Eve look. It looks a lot harder than it is, I promise. But I'm trying to keep this video nice and speedy today, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. I already got one eye done here, so let's just go ahead and get right into the other eye. I'm going to start with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Use that to prime the eye a little bit. Now I'm going to start with the Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadow in the shade Steal the Look, and I'm going to take a small eyeliner brush. This one is the Pro Tapered Liner 33 brush from Sephora. I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my brush and start to kind of carve out the crease a little bit, kind of like where you would carve out for a cut crease, but we don't have anything to actually carve out yet. Now I'm going to take the shade Glazed. This is from the Kylie Cosmetics Naughty palette, but you can pretty much just take any metallic gold shade. I'm going to use that same brush just because it's my best small brush, and I'm going to get it wet and then continue that kind of winged out cut crease look. Trying to keep them as even as possible, something that I'm not always good at, so it's okay if it's not perfect. Or at least that's what I'm gonna tell myself. Alright, we'll go back in and touch that up in just a minute, but now we're gonna go in with star of the show. That is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is the shade Molten Midnight. It's a nice black with some gold and silver sparkle. We're just going to fill in the lid and kind of make it a little more precise and just clean it up a little. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? I love these liquid eyeshadows. Now we're just going to go back in with the silver and the gold as well, just to kind of define it a little bit more, touch it up if they overlap at all. This is like the one look I've done where it's not blend, blend, blend. The only thing that you really want to make sure is blended with this look is the silver into the gold. You don't want it to just be like silver, gold. Like you want it to kind of be a seamless flow from one color to the next. All right, we look a little crazy right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to finish up this eye look. Quick little tutorial today. I realized I wasn't recording when I thought I was. So we're taking the Melted Chrome eyeshadow, and we're taking it to connect the inner corner halfway across, and then we'll go back in with the gold shade in a minute. Now in with the gold shade, and we're going to connect this outer wing to the rest of the lower lash line. Alright, now to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero, and then I'm going to take this shade in Forever Lit. It's a nice stark white highlight. I kind of use that to just intense. I love an intense inner corner, and especially for New Year's. Oh yeah. So we're just really magnifying. I'm just going to take a couple coats of the Lash Princess mascara. I'm going to take the Essence Shine 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 lip gloss and just put that on. Alright, and that completes this video. I know it was a pretty quick little tutorial today, but just wanted to show you how to get a nice, fast, little simple, but dramatic New Year's Eve look. If you like what you saw here today, please subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also follow me on Instagram at jsanchezbeauty. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you back soon. Bye!